All right, welcome to Smokey Reacts. I'm your boy Jurnalist, and on this one, we are continuing our continued coverage of Bad Bistro Season 2. This is episode 4. On this one, they say Fire Philly, Nella, and Johnny, and Adiola. They ruined the kitchen. Oh man, it's over. You ruined the kitchen. We can't even have a restaurant. But thank you for joining me on these. I really do appreciate it. You guys have been like really dope, allowing me to just essentially watch whatever the fuck I want, and then you guys just tap in. If you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. But you guys be like, hey, I'll watch this with this nigga just because he's doing it, and I appreciate that. Like I really do. Like man, damn, I should have been doing this shit earlier. I really feel like I should have. I'm just like I don't know why I hadn't. Fuck it, we here now. So thank you very much. If you could please hit that like and subscribe. Let's get into this one because I do enjoy these. I do fuck with these people. Also, I have to ask because I did a little research. 10 months ago, if you go to Foot Asylum's fucking page, that's the last time Chunks appeared on Foot Asylum. Since then, he's not been on there. I know him and what's it called? Him and fucking Philly are still boys. Like, that's not even questioned. However, now Chunks is running in the mud on JD. And I really just only started watching JD because the survey says. But then I saw Savage Dan and PK were on In the Mud with Chunks. And I was just like, what? Like, what the fuck is going on here? And then that's what made me look into when's the last time he's been on Foot Asylum. And I'm like, so did he take a deal with JD? And would JD be considered the level up? Or is Foot Asylum and JD kind of at the same level? You guys got to let me know. That's what I wanted to ask as well. So, yeah, thank you very much. Let's get into this one. And yeah, if you could please hit that like and subscribe, and let's go.
He knows what he's doing.
Like the crowd,
Bad Bistro is back!
So basically, Foot Asylum have us out here trying to run our own restaurant. We're gonna be doing everything from the chefing, the bartending, and the serving.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a video.
Take care, guys.
Bye. Let's get cooking, mate.
Right,
Right, here we go. You got a hat for Philly?
Yes, it makes sense.
On my shoe.
We got a hat for you, Nella?
When I was in the
Thank
kitchen,
you.
things were
Jackets. Jackets.
not wearing that in there though. Yeah, we're on point. Dream team.
Period.
I know you see what's going on. Philly knows.
When you're working with the dream team, the food's already done. We're just waiting for the customers now. Do you know what I
That's
mean?
terrible.
Bartender.
Thank you.
You got the floor.
I feel like I'm gonna be doing the best on the bar.
Hey guys, I heard you're on a double date, so I just wanted to gift you with some more mocktails on the house as well.
Thank you so much.
Hey, 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 hey.
Don't even know what I'm cooking. Johnny, remember? Be nice.
Adidas.
So you welcome then? How you say welcome?
Bienvenidos.
Muy bien.
I want to make one Virgin Mary now, one Pinot now, one Daiquiri now. I need to be ahead of the game.
You're the first one that said that.
See?
I respect that.
You see what's on the menu?
It's quite complicated.
So like
Menu
seafood.
again,
Look,
actually.
oh shit. So look, what we do now is make a plate of seafood. Enchiladas. Trust me. Come, let's get a plate now.
Hola. Bienvenidos. Gracias. Where we sit here? Before we sit here? Yeah?
No, give it a minute, give it a minute. Just some oil in.
Is Ibiza? No, excuse me, Ibiza, since you're supposed to say it like that. Does anybody know what Burning Man is? Because if you know what Burning Man is, I feel like that's the type of people that go to fucking Ibiza. But just like just the European version of that American variant.
Flip those, flip those, flip those, flip those. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, that's good. Let's get some bruschettas toasting as well.
Bruschetta, enchilada.
Oh,
look at the
flick of the wrist fillet.
He's really good. What else can we put in it?
He's really good in the kitchen.
He's really good, isn't he?
What else can we put in it?
The menus, we've got a lovely selection today.
Nels.
Mikael!
Nels.
You want to get? I don't have insurance, Mikael!
Can I get you any drinks? Huh? What would you like to drink? Water, sparkling water?
Okay, drink. Yes.
I got congas, singas.
I'll squeeze some lemon into it.
I need to
There's loads of
Bebidas.
Let's cut this quick.
What do you do with the pasta?
Pasta's there.
Yeah, pasta's there. Just gonna pass it over.
Sorry, no.
Yeah, I'm
do-
really super busy right now.
Do you have like without juice?
Yeah, we have mocktails.
Aguas frescas.
Alright, now.
Oh, customers.
Customers now.
How's the Bloody Mary?
Bloody Mary, yeah?
Is it good?
It's like cold tomato soup to me, but you might like it.
I think I will go for the Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary, yeah, times 2. What? And you?
Do you have tea?
Tea. I don't think we do. Let me double check. We got tea. We ain't got tea, have we?
No, just whatever's on the menu. Thank you very much.
No, just whatever's on the menu, and then sparkling water, and then
Okay. Virgin is without alcohol, right?
yeah, none of them have alcohol.
Pues I will change the Bloody Mary.
It is a cold tomato soup.
Basically, yeah.
Please bring me a key.
The daiquiri, yeah.
Raspberry cooler.
It is nice.
It's a cool raspberry.
Exactly that.
I
Yeah. Self-explanatory. Raspberry water, you're cool.
Basically, you'd normally strain off.
Two Bloody Marys, get a f***ing done. G'day, ladies. What can I get you?
Bloody Mary, please.
Me too. Can it be quite spicy, please?
Of course. Get some Tabasco on it today.
Thank you.
Nice one's sweet.
Where's my boy from? Where's Johnny Carey from? Yeah, what's Johnny Carey is his last name, I think. Where's bruh from? He sound like he's got like a Midland Scouse kind of accent, or he's just bullshitting and just playing around.
Hi. Tell him before they
I'm a Scouser from now on, I can't lie. And there's
Okay.
2 more Bloody Marys.
Thank you, mate.
Forward and backwards. That's it. Wash. Yeah, that's it.
We got enchiladas. Look, my sister.
Oh my
My sister got my enchiladas.
Hello. Nice to come in. Hola. 2? Dos? Si.
So if people order enchiladas, no, I don't think they've ordered yet. This is just because we're so good. It's already ready, babe.
Oh my
Before they even think about ordering it, it's already there, babe. Honestly, you got nothing to worry about, babe.
Everyone's Spanish, bruv. Everyone's Spanish.
What? Off the coast of Portugal, if I remember correctly. You talk about everybody Spanish. What's wrong with you?
Pack it all up.
Oh,
Not
Philly.
you, but
Philly.
I reckon that's good. We just
Philly?
plate it.
Yeah.
Philly. I would lick that off the pan.
Would you,
Yeah.
Always have a little taste.
Period.
So they did another.
Tastes really good.
Huh?
They did another.
No, we just made enchiladas. Just because in my kitchen we're always ready. All right. So whilst we wait, let's make up a dance. Let me teach you how to dance. So basically, I'm
Okay, do you
gonna
have to
need
do
you.
the Macarena? Macarena. Macarena. Oh, done it too.
Did they teach you guys that in your gym class as little kids? Did that happen? Because if so, we all learned that shit at the same exact time. And that's, if that happened, then there is a world government and they do control us all. If not, then yeah, that was my childhood for a time. Especially I was living in Texas at that time. Oh my God, it was crazy. It's crazy. Yo, Friday Night Lights does not encapsulate Friday Night Lights. I'm trying to tell you.
It's wrong. Okay, one more time. I really like that dance.
Period.
Yeah, you keep on doing it side to side. I need to learn TikToks as well.
No.
What'd you like? So when I asked you ready, you weren't ready.
No. I'm going to have the special, please.
It's special. Let me check if we got that, you know. Let me check quickly.
Alright, do you know who's the best TikTok person you know?
Victor Kunda.
Mine's Sharky.
Sharky?
Sharky.
No, Sharky's not a TikToker though.
What?
He's just a sex symbol.
clock how he moves, innit?
He's just a sex symbol, man.
You
He's
wear
not
the
a
grey
TikToker.
trousers to show the hood print.
What do you need?
Yo, have we got a special? We ain't, have we? 12-hour cooked lamb. We ain't got that.
No.
12-hour cooked what? We ain't been in 2 minutes, let alone 12 hours, my love.
Yeah, so we don't have the special. Unfortunately.
Why is it on the menu then?
I didn't write it.
Jesus Christ.
Just a little bit of...
Look how cold that is. What you doing? You do way too much. You know you added bare chilies earlier as well. Everything's nuts.
We gotta give him
Why
time.
are you adding chilies all the time?
Because I'm black.
She's not even lying. Why do black people love spice?
This is long. This is long. I don't like this one. I'm gonna forget everything.
This is
Hey,
so
I'm gonna forget everything.
Go
This
on.
is long. This is the hardest one. I say this every episode, but my brain just doesn't work. I haven't got a memory today. Like, people are giving me stuff to do, and as soon as I walk away, I forget what I'm even doing it for. So, yeah, the brain's just fried and it ain't working, but we're gonna do our best.
I don't see how that's even possible. Like, before I was doing anything, I was working in food service. How the fuck you can't keep track of your table and who you serving? Is just like, what are you talking about?
Long gills.
Yeah, smart boy.
I'm gonna forget otherwise.
Go on, what is it?
Got the
Enchiladas, look, there they are.
One enchilada done already. We got you.
Yeah, you're there.
Seafood lingui. We
Oh,
got you.
perfect. Oh my guy.
Plating that up.
Make it look pretty. That's your job. Your,
Make it look
your
pretty.
presentation queen.
Oh, come on. You know that's my f***ing job.
So, you have to remind me, who had which?
I'm enchilada.
Enchilada, linguine. Enjoy.
I mean, we're running out of long tail cups, really.
I'll grab you some more.
Thank you. I think I could got this on my own.
All right. All right. I'm going to come back and taste it.
Okay, cool. I'll just make up anything. I got this. One. I forgot the ice again. Okay, two.
I'm gonna forget this. I'm gonna forget this.
Yeah, we're on point. Dream team.
Period.
I know you see what's going on. Philly knows.
Period.
Ah.
Little bit of grated cheese on there. Listen, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, isn't it? Come on, you asked me to go, I've already got it, mate.
Where's this Bob's your uncle shit come from?
No, but that's an extra, so tell them to tip. Right, so you need another extra.
Do you have cheese on linguine?
You don't ask questions.
Aye,
You
Johnny,
don't
take
ask
out the damn
questions.
food. Adiola and Brandon look good together, don't they? What, your man's the other guy.
You don't get to talk to me like that.
Hey,
I would never.
you
do
like
that
the
to you. I like
the
everyone.
other two white guys?
I'm a whore. That's the essence of being a whore. I like everybody.
Aye, your best meme ever. I should be on a plane. What is it, on a yacht?
On a yacht, shaking my ass.
No, that is hilarious.
Kiwiana.
Seafood linguine, enchiladas, truffle mac and cheese. Aye, we're actually on point.
Seafood linguine. We got a seafood linguine here, enchiladas. Philly, you're supposed to do that when the cheese is on top of the... You're supposed to make the mac and cheese and then melt.
No, but I'm gonna make, watch what I'm gonna do. Oh, how about that? Is that back on? Take that off, yeah.
Because he needed the torch, the blow
Don't
torch.
turn it off. Quite, it's easier for me to...
It's on though.
Bang.
What are you doing?
No, this looks horrific.
You know what, guys? When you're working with the dream team, the food's already done. We're just waiting for the customers now. Do you know what I mean? Yes, Philly!
Macan.
Mac and cheese and
Macan.
ting and
Macan.
Mac and blue touch cheese.
Macan.
You know, say this is a
Macan.
Michelin star.
Do you know what we're eating? Do you know what we're eating, yeah?
Yeah. Can we eat food though?
Can you eat the food?
Yeah.
No, just look at it.
Okay.
Of course you're gonna eat it.
Tell me that's not macan.
Mac and cheese and
Macan.
cheese and
Macan.
ting and ting. When my
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
We don't give them colour.
Aye, do your best Yardie accent. Let's do an accent challenge.
So we should take the one that we like the worst. Because if we are gonna have a plate in front of us.
No, it's good. The food's good. I'm telling you, we've got two amazing chefs in there.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Philly versus Nella Rose on an accent challenge. First, we start off with Scottish. You go first.
You know I'm Scottish. I'm a proper Scottish girl.
That's not that bad.
I'm a proper Scottish girl.
You lot decide in the comments below who wins, yeah? Mine's, she's a sheep at a farm.
Okay, I want truffle mac and cheese.
Truffle mac and cheese, yeah?
You wasn't even saying anything. Yeah, she for the phone. You wouldn't say.
And he said, comment down below what the Scottish accent.
Honestly, we need all
Guys, what's going on? Sheep on a farm.
Huh? Sheep on a farm?
Sheep on a farm. Yeah, sheep on a farm.
What's this
I
one?
got 2 sheep in a farm.
Turtle.
Black one and a white one.
Turtle. Truffle mac and cheese. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Boom.
Yeah.
They
No,
ordered
tell me-
10 seconds
tell me
ago.
when
This is actually hard work because I want to quit now.
Pardon?
This is hard work.
You get used to it.
Really, just making drinks without drinking them yourself. Is that enough?
Right,
Okay,
your food's
guys.
already done. Your food's done,
Food's
babe.
already done. Who got the truffle mac and cheese?
What?
Mac and cheese?
So, the plate slipped out my hand, but it's 5-second rule. I don't know why you didn't want it. I mean, we can still rub up. We can still do that for you. Listen,
No,
it's all good.
I'm not paying for that.
I even put my bit of my own spit in it to clean it, and he still didn't want the plate. So I thought I'd munch it myself. If I ain't gonna eat it, I'll have it. It's good food. You know what I mean? I would eat that.
No.
You would eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on.
You don't want to eat that now?
I bet.
Come on, it's only had my hands in it.
I
We
dare
wrap
you.
up
I
again.
dare you.
We wrap up again.
Man, I
We
dare
wrap
you.
up again. That's nice. Look.
Eat it. Ah!
Bro, people walk around that city and have walked in there. You a wild ass nigga, boy. Don't pass this nigga the blunt for about 35 to 45 months at least.
I know you want that.
It's your spit.
No?
so-
Okay, wait, I'll get a fresh one.
Oh my god.
That boy Johnny nasty.
I just dropped on the floor and munched it in front of them. Come here, tissue. I need tissue.
Then we wrap
That
like
nigga
this.
nasty,
Not too
boy.
much.
Johnny, why you do that? Why, Johnny? Why, Johnny?
Put that down.
No,
Why?
how much cheese that is?
That's not even truffle mac. That's just mac. That's just mac. Wait, 1 second. Can you do this? Wait, 1 second. Can you do this as well? Ah! 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 You know my cheeks proper tense when I'm scared.
Is it, yeah?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I knew I made the right
See that?
choice.
Look, you hear that? You hear that? You hear that?
You sexy,
Well,
babe.
amazing, they said the food.
Oh, I know, babes. I know.
No, did she actually
I
say
know,
amazing?
babes.
It's amazing.
Did she actually say amazing?
Philly, this looks amazing.
You taking that order?
See, truffle mac and cheese, 1 enchilada. We're the dream team, honestly. Everyone, €10 a tip. Period.
Hi guys, you okay?
Well, I miss my drink.
Oh, okay, that'll be right up.
Yeah, I give it.
I'm sure they'll bring that out soon.
I'm gonna drop these. God give me strength.
Is it added sugar? Like,
Added sugar. I think the raspberry cooler it is. Let me double check with you.
Yeah? How's the food, guys? Amazing, amazing. I hope you're enjoying. What's the situation here then? We in a relationship? Oh, nice, nice.
Is there any added sugar in the cocktails?
Yeah.
She doesn't want it.
All of them have added sugar.
Okay, let me tell her. Okay, so all of them have added sugar.
How long you been friends for? How many years? Español? ¿Cuántos años? Ah, hasta salsa bailo, ¿no ve?
Guys, you want a mocktail? What mocktail would you like?
Yeah, water. Times
I'm
2.
not
You
gonna
know what
act
to
like
eat?
I can
You ready
do
to eat?
that.
Anti-pasta platter. Let me double check with you. I'm a great waiter, and I know the menu off by heart. What is in the anti-pasta platter?
You're asking me questions.
You're the chef.
You
You're the
answer.
fucking
Yeah,
chef.
you don't know. I don't know. Tell them what they want. Tell them whatever they want. Custom order. Custom order.
About the enchiladas, are they chicken?
¿Qué pasa?
Are the this? Enchiladas, chicken. Are the enchiladas chicken?
Nah, it's a vegan thing.
Vegan thing.
Vegan thing with non-vegan cheese.
Okay, so the
Tell them that.
enchiladas are vegan
It was
with non-vegan
linguine, they
cheese.
said.
They want a linguine.
See.
Tell them, go to them and tell them they should have specified. Should I go and tell them? Okay. Sorry, no. They're disrespecting us, Philly. Did you guys order linguine? You ordered a linguine. Right, so next time you need to specify because my head chef, he's got trouble hearing. So next time... Oh, no habla español. El español es muy difficult.
But somebody once said daiquiri.
A tequila?
A daiquiri. How do you say the daiquiri? Daiquiri.
Daiquiri.
Something called anti.
The Kiri. Oh, wow.
Platter, yeah.
If you're sleeping under a rock,
The Kiri.
then wake up. Young Philly has a new single out called Long Time. And the foot asylum. If you don't put this in the edit,
Well, fuck it. If we pumping the stock, I got a new freestyle out on JME's Man Don't Care. Go check that out.
done a lot for you. Look after me.
They're cussing out
Yeah.
your freestyle.
Promote my tune, man.
Hey, go listen to that nigga shit though, for real.
Oh my
That's a good
God.
song, actually. It's actually a good song. Him and Chip, they slid that bitch. That's a
I
good
thought
song.
your hair went in that fire. You know that's not a good idea.
So we got ignore the water, enchiladas, one with no cheese,
Enchiladas.
one with no cheese,
Yeah.
and then bruschetta, tofu, and honey powder.
What do they? Nah, tell
Are
them
you
to
alright?
pick
The waiter thing. You prefer the waiting?
No, I don't, yo.
What do you
My
prefer?
memory's too bad. Who is this table for?
That's just their fucking vibes.
Yeah?
Yeah, just say he wants a truffle. Hey, what one is it? Is it this one? So 2 enchiladas, one with no cheese.
Yeah, 2 enchiladas, one with no cheese, and all the sides.
How could you want an enchilada with no cheese?
What's the sides?
You're asking for a bareback wrap. What is
It's
that?
vegan anyways.
A round of applause for Nella flipping Rose.
We got the first
She said you're
complaint.
up. Yeah. Who's the complaint?
Enchilada!
Guys, we got a complaint.
From who?
The ladies there, they say that it doesn't taste anything and they got just 1 prawn.
Tell them that that's all we had. Tell them that's all we had. Johnny, can you go tell them that's all? The 1 prawn is all we had. That 1 prawn is all we had, babe.
That is hilarious.
It's the wiggle that gets me.
I'm not as strong as you.
There's
this
one
one? What's
asking
wrong
for
with
enchiladas with
No,
no
I'm just
cheese.
gonna
Now
take it
there's
away.
no-
Don't worry, we
Give
did
me
that.
that one.
Yeah, cool, yeah.
But it is so damn hot.
Oh no, I thought you made a complaint about the linguine, though. Yeah. Not enough prawns. Well, I've just gone out into the sea now. You didn't see me, and I just got you some more prawns. So there you go then. So now it's literally. There you go.
Period.
Look, all the prawns are here. This is basically a prawn with some pasta. That's a vial, innit? That is a vial.
Add a little bit of pasta on top. That's not even a portion.
That's a vial, innit? Camera 11.
Leftovers.
Violation.
Yo.
Yeah, you're smashing it.
Thank you so much. I have a great teacher.
I'm only taking that as a compliment, so thank you.
And then,
No one else said that, so
really?
I think you're my favourite.
Thank you. So guys, it's going amazing. Me and the bartender, we've been getting along really well. He says I'm his best one so far today. I'm smashing it with the cocktails, no qualms. I think I've found my position. I'm ahead of the game. I even had to serve some because some of my colleagues can't keep up, so you know. Hey guys, I heard you're on a double date, so I just wanted to gift you with some more mocktails on the house as well.
Oh, thank you so much.
A pina colada?
Is this no cheese?
Yeah. Someone asked
So
for no
here's
cheese.
your bareback enchilada, no cheese.
Honestly, there's no more prawns. On God. Yeah, you're on God. We
Yeah,
actually
we
made
just
it.
gotta give him pasta.
No,
with
so
ketchup.
like, even-
Let's give him pasta with
You're
ketchup.
in the head. Come, let's do it. Come, let's do it. Let's make a nasty little pass.
Oh, let's make it tofu.
Yeah, no. Cold. Let's do it.
There's no spaghetti in there.
Yeah, because she's eating it. That's why.
Somebody
Was that
eat
nice?
before? This bit?
Yeah, me. Yeah.
Nice. Did you also spit
Yeah,
on
nice.
it?
I did, yeah.
You have like a kind
Extra
of
flavour, yeah.
You have a special fetish
I do,
with
yeah.
that.
Yeah. You drop that on the floor, I'll eat it again.
Oh, okay, that's the special thing,
that is-
right? With all of the
Duh, yeah, that's a special thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
special ingredient.
exactly.
Dip it in, yeah!
That is disgusting.
Catchy watchy!
No, that is wrong. That
Now we
is
just add a bit of tofu. Bob's your uncle.
Say no more.
See if you can.
No, that is disgusting.
What's she doing?
That's
What we
delicious,
doing?
right? So when I start cooking, it's disgusting, eh?
Yeah, apparently.
Nice flavours. Let's add a bit of chili.
Come on, I'm tired.
Because if their mouths are burning, you won't be able to taste.
Oh my God, who remembers that song on FIFA? Come on, I'm tired of talking.
No, because I've never played FIFA.
Come on.
Period.
That's all I know.
I really enjoyed that song.
Pour it slowly, but you're going to lift up.
Oh, what does that do?
Yeah, makes it look nice.
Oh, okay.
like jazz hands. On
So
the
that's
bar.
a daiquiri, that's a pineapple, and that's a
Raspberry cooler.
raspberry cooler.
That's the one.
I've learned so much.
Seafood linguine with a little bit of tofu.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna count
Back in the
that.
bed.
She's in.
Look at your fingers, you can hurt yourself. Oh, seafood
He couldn't go back to
linguine.
Colombia if he couldn't do that.
Ah, you.
I'm gonna hand out 3 antipasties. Keep the guests entertained. Is this even antipasti?
Okay, we're adding a leaf in there. Egypt. Who else is meant to go in there? So what we're doing, guys, right now is a construction, you know, of 2 elements of flavors combined into you know, a Jerusalem of flavors.
Right, so it's dusk right now. I'm feeling the love. So, I mean, the sun is setting, and on our main table, we've got a little double date going on. So I thought I'm gonna serenade them with a bit of music. And I can sing. I got won an X Factor 4 times, got rejected every time, but they just don't know music. So I wanna give them a little song.
And
So I'm sensing a bit of romance here tonight.
yes, this is our special guest entertainment,
I am.
Johnny Boy.
I'm part-time waiter, and I'm part-time.
Not Johnny, boy.
yeah.
This is violinist.
And I'm his backup dancer.
Dang, backup dancer.
Backup dancer.
Let's do it.
I love you, bitch. Bitch, I love you. Y'all seen that video? That nigga funny.
Hey, 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 hey.
And I.
Now don't you feel more in love?
You have to
Play
sing.
more, play more.
Let me sing for you.
Come on, entertainment for the
Come on.
double date.
Can you play?
Babe, you wanted to stop
Can you?
Right.
Can you actually?
Backup, everyone's a backup dancer now.
Smash that
I'll
shit.
cut it.
Smash that shit.
Yeah, you got a beautiful voice.
Johnny, why you lying, bro?
Ooh. She's freestyling. Know that brother is cheating on his team when he goes out with the boys.
And he knows a lot, baby.
Yeah. So what do you mean for her? Two lesbians. He knows what he's doing.
Alabama. Alabama.
Hey, no. The food's burning. Nella.
Right, everyone out.
Nella, the kitchen's smoking.
Right.
There's a fire. Everyone out.
There's a fire.
Now.
Leave.
We gotta go.
There's a fire. The kitchen is on fire. Now, this is the case of your life.
Y'all was partying too hard.
Fire!
Hey.
Guys, you fucking smashed it, man.
That's right.
We fucking smashed
Guys,
it, man.
we
Go
did it.
team.
Group hug. Wait. Godwin and Brandon, join us.
Oh, we fucking smashed it, lads.
You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute. In fact, he'll be
probably
here
get
in a
copyrighted, innit?
minute.
They must have never heard to the right. Cause they singing that with too much chest. Way too much chest.
Baby.
That is a low blow, innit, from side.
Do you know what? I know
I
I
said this
can't
might get
sing
copyrighted
sad.
because it ain't that good.
No, he said acapella's fine.
Like you.
Guys, release that.
I need auto-tune and reverb.
So do I, man. Right, anyways, guys, that is the end of the series. I hope you did enjoy it. I just think I personally think we've done all right. I think my best thing Even though I didn't like it the most, was probably the waiting.
Can I just say
No, I
that?
disagree. You were sick in the kitchen with me, you know.
My memory was not
No,
there.
you was
I
good
had
in
a
the
kitchen,
kitchen.
You was good.
Yeah, we did that.
Flipping the burgers.
You
I
hated
was the best all-time rat. I was the best bartender, the best
You was
waiter.
poor- you was
let
poor
me tell
waiting.
you up
Yeah,
there.
poor
yeah,
waiting.
man,
Babe,
it's the
let me
all-rounder for me.
Quickly though, the guy said I was the best bartender.
Who
And
said that?
No,
Where
the
is he?
bartender, quickly back it.
Brandon.
Who was the best
Who
bartender?
was the? Who? I said, Daddy. I said, who was the best bartender?
Yeah?
No, but he did say I had drinks ahead of time. I even had to serve drinks. Did you have
Alright,
time to serve
forget what we
I
think
served
was
like
best
20.
at. What did we enjoy the most?
drinks? Bartender.
You?
Cooking, I reckon.
With me,
I enjoyed the floor, as you can tell. You?
hosting.
Yeah, see?
You know, cooking or hosting?
Obviously, everyone's got a separate thing, so at least now we will have our.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know
So
what
now
place.
we know where Harry will stand. Harry would be front of house.
Yes.
Well, with that being said,
Yeah, but that being said, guys, if you want to see more of us, make sure you hit the like button, you comment below, and you subscribe. And also, there's a bell at the top. Click it,
hit that.
and we'll see you another time.
And that's all. Period. Woo!
That wasn't bad for a bad bistro. I would say what I'd like to see on the next one is for them to actually do a real bistro. Like if you're gonna go to a place, either really like try and do it, or y'all gonna have to up this, cause this was cool, but I don't know how you're gonna up this. But yeah, hey, I'll probably check out the next one. Thank you very much for rocking with me on this one. It is greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here.